Welcome to Coco's Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be making this farm-style wall display shelf made out of cereal box cardboard for our miniature plates that we made in the last week's videos. If you haven't seen those videos, you can get a link to them in the description below. I also designed this as a 3D printed model. I'm going to follow this pattern that I made. There are 13 individual parts to the pattern. Cut the shown amount of pieces for each part and glue them together. After assembling the individual pieces, use a sharp knife to score lines into the cardboard. This will give the cardboard a more realistic wood look after painting. Repeat this process for each piece. After finishing all your pieces, lay them out in the same order as in the pattern as shown. Now we will mix up a black acrylic paint. Water it down to give the cardboard a stained look. This will be our base layer. Apply the stain. You can see the stain will seep into the score marks we created, giving it an aged look. Let it dry completely. Now apply a watered down brown color to make the cardboard look like wood. After finishing painting all your pieces, line them back up according to the pattern. Grab pieces number 2 and 3. Mark a line 3 mm down from the top. Using super glue, glue piece number 1 onto pieces 2 and 3, using the marks as a glue line as shown. Mark lines 2.3 cm down from the top on both sides as shown. Grab piece number 8 and glue it to the back as shown. Grab piece number 9 and glue to the back as shown. Mark 2 lines 7 mm down from the bottom of each back piece on each side as shown. Now, glue piece number 4 underneath the first back piece. Then glue piece number 5 underneath the second back piece as shown. Glue piece number 6 and 7 to the front. These will be our front rails. Now we will assemble the bottom 4 drawers. For the drawer handles, I used 3 beads from earring hooks. You can use any beads you have on hand as long as they match the style. Now glue the finished board onto the bottom. You could finish the shelf off with a clear coat of glossy Mod Podge if you want a shiny look. But I decided to just leave it as is for a more rustic look. Now you can add your plates that you created all by yourself. This will make a unique addition to your dollhouse. Remember, I also have these 3D printed shelves of this design available on our Etsy page. They come in brown faux wood color or in white for you to paint yourself. You can also download the model file and print it yourself at home if you have a 3D printer. If you have any problems making this project, just reach out to me in the comments or on our socials listed in our channel description. Any likes, subscribes, or comments help to grow this channel and keep me bringing you new ideas every week. I will see you next week.